ChromaTwist collection, turning my 3D print into a workable resin mold. I promised to document everything, and that includes the bloopers. I thought the 5-piece mold box print I selected had 2 wall sets connected to create one taller mold box. They do not, so the walls I printed were too short. So let's fix it. I'm going to cut the wall into 2 pieces, make the top section taller, and then join both pieces back together as one printable wall. In the Objects panel on the left, I left-clicked Wall 1. The blue highlight and white outline confirmed it was selected. With the wall selected, I left-clicked the Cut tool in the top toolbar. I positioned the horizontal cut line where I wanted the wall divided. I kept both pieces and left Keep Orientation checked. I left-clicked Perform Cut. Bambu Studio separated the wall into an upper and lower section. I left-clicked one cut section, dragged it onto plate 2, and released the mouse button. In the Objects panel, I left-clicked the upper wall section so only that piece was highlighted. I left-clicked the Scale tool in the top toolbar. I left-clicked Uniform Scale to turn it off. Then I changed only the Z value, which increased the height without changing the curve or width. In the Objects panel, I left-clicked the first section, then I held Ctrl and left-clicked the second section. With both sections highlighted, I right-clicked either name and left-clicked Merge. I left-clicked the New Assembly, then left-clicked the Assemble tool in the top toolbar. In the Assemble panel, I used Face and Face Assembly. I rotated the view, then left-clicked the flat cut surface on the lower section. It changed color to confirm the selection. I left-clicked the matching flat surface on the upper section. The 2 selected faces displayed in different colors. I left-clicked Center Coincidence. Bambu Studio centered the 2 cut surfaces directly together. Once the pieces were aligned, I left-clicked Return to close the Assemble tool. I right-clicked the empty build plate and left-clicked Delete Plate. In the Objects panel, I selected both pieces again using Control-click. Then I right-clicked and chose Merge into Single Part. I left-clicked Slice Plate in the upper right corner. In Preview, I zoomed in and checked the layers where the 2 sections joined to make sure there were no gaps or broken walls. The corrected taller wall was ready to print. The shorter pieces may still work for future molds, so today's blooper may not be wasted after all. I cut the wall, made the upper section taller, joined both pieces back together, and checked the repaired area before printing. Now the corrected wall is printing. Follow along for the next step as I continue turning my ChromaTwist 3D print into a workable resin mold.